For anyone who's prayed 1,000 prayers and still can't find the answer anyway, fighting off the light that no one cares. For anyone who's out there losing hope, feeling you're forsaken and alone, clinging to the last strings of your own. May God give you eyes to see still greater courage to rise and believe He's able. May God be your peace in the fight you're walking through. This is my prayer now. This is my prayer for you. For all souls be tired and weary souls, but still have faith to ask for miracles, choosing to believe He's in control. May God give you eyes to see still greater courage to rise and believe He's able. May God be your peace in the fire you're walking through. This is my prayer now. This is my prayer. May your eyes be ever on the Lord, your helper. May you find your refuge in the Lord, your shelter. May you find Him closer than a brother all your days.